building there, a big one. And the snowdrifts are coming up to the pot. Doodle! She's got a Versace scarf on because it's really cold. And she has her jacket on, and under her jacket she's got her warmie. This is gonna be toasty.
We have to experience a blip. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go running out there.
Okay, then you go. Here's day 2 of Blizzard 2011. It stopped snowing this morning for a little while and then started again. The buildings have reappeared. There's a little car going by on the highway. Go, Doodle! Find your way through! I don't know if she can make it through that, Michael.
She got this.
Go!
It's too much.
Come on! I love all the dogs' coats. They're kind of trying to get her interested. But she's not sure. She's not sure. Picking her up over the water puddle. I finally made it home. And here's what the street looks like. Some snowdrifts. I don't think my car's coming out. Oh, okay. So there's the snow. There's my feet. So the snow is up to my knees. This guy's shoveling out of his parking spot. Trash cans in here somewhere. Don't know where the garbage is gonna go. Walking through the neighborhood now, trying to get somewhere. Tree didn't do so well. There's a car under there somewhere. Well, I want to go that way, but I don't think I can because they only made a path this way. So we're gonna have to climb over. I guess this is some guy's way of saving his parking spot. I'm not really sure what the message is behind that. Parking spot savers. Well, how are you supposed to get out? I don't think this man's gonna be getting out of his garage for quite some time. I think there's a garbage can in there, it looks like.